Hi guys and welcome back. We're going to be continuing with math. Today we're going to be doing lesson 1.2 in your math book, so please grab out your math book and turn to page 17. We're going to be working here. Today we are going to use the essential question on how do you model adding groups. So yesterday's lesson they gave you the pictures already. Today we're not going to have the pictures, but we are going to use counters. You guys have your red and yellow circle counters. I have my red and blue, so we're going to be using counters to model the pictures and the equations as we're going. So are you ready? Again, make sure job number 1 is you're going to put your name across the top. Making sure you always put your name on your papers. It's extremely important. Okay, and then we're going to be moving on. So we're using our counters because that's our job. We're adding today. We're learning how to add using counters. So here's my red dinosaurs. And it looks like we have some blue bears. Perfect. Okay, so it says there are 6 children on the playground and 2 more children join them. So we're going to start with 6 children. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have our 6 children, and we're going to make this an equation at the bottom. So 6 children, and it says 2 more children join. So I'm going to use my other color. 1, 2. Now, it said again 2 more, which means we're using that plus, that addition symbol, so we're plus. And that's going to equal how many? Ready? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's read this equation. 6 plus 2 is the same as 8. These are our add-ins. This is my addition symbol, which means plus. We're putting these numbers together. This equal symbol means the same as. That means both of these sides have to match. And 8 is my sum. It's the ending of the equation. It's the total. So are you ready? We're going to continue on using our counters, because remember today's job is using counters. They showed you here using the pictures from yesterday. So there were 5 turtles and 2 more turtles. So 5 plus 2 equaled 7. Again, sum, and this equal symbol means the same as. Both the equations have to match. They have to be the same. So here we go. 3 cats and 1 more cat. So I've got 3 cats. 1, 2, 3. And 1 more cat joins. So 3 plus 1 is the same as, count your counters. That's perfect. 4. Great job. Erase your counter board. Ready? Let's work with number 2. 2 birds and 3 more birds. They're falling. Sorry, guys. Let's count them. Double check. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So read the equation with me. 2 plus 3 is the same as 5. Great job. Erase your counters. Now, if you don't want to use your counters, or if they're giving you a problem, you can always do a sketch. So this one and this one, I'm going to show you how to sketch them, and then we're going to go back to our counters. So there are 4 bugs and 4 more. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to color these 4 in. And 4 more bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can still do the work even if we're missing our counters. So ready? Let's kind of count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 is the same as 8. Great job. Okay, you guys, ready? We're going to do this one. One more together with a sketch, and then you guys are going to try the next two on your own. Here we go. 4 fish and 2 more fish. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 more. How many fish is that all together? Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are correct. 4 fish plus 2 more fish is the same as 6 fish. All right, sliding over. 5 dogs and 4 more dogs. So I'm going to go back to my counters. I have 5 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 4 more dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Let's count them. Make sure you count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 dogs and 5 dogs is the same as 9 dogs. Perfect. Sliding over. 4 bees and 3 more bees. Again, counters up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Did you count them? Perfect. That answer was 7. 4 plus 3 is the same as 7. Here we go. Julia has 4 books on the table. She puts 1 book on, more book on the table, and then she puts 2 more books on the table. This just got really confusing, guys. I think I'm going to need to use my colors. Okay, let's try. Julia has 4 books on the table. She put 1 more book on the table, and then she put 2 more books on the table. How many books are on the table? So we circled our numbers. We are underlining our question. Remember, go from the question mark back to the period. We're going to box our math action word. Our math action word is more. More is telling me what to do, and that more is telling me that I need to add. I'm putting these things together. Now, there's way too many words on here, and it's super confusing, so I'm going to get rid of everything else. Everything else is junk. I don't need it. All I need are my math action words, my numbers, and my question. So we're going to draw this one out. There were 4 books on the table. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to change the shape. She put 1 more book on the table, so I'm going to make it a triangle. So 4 plus this one, and then she put 2 more books. So I'm going to plus again, and I'm going to make 2 squares for my books. Is the same as blank. So it really looks like this. 4 plus 1 plus 2 equals blank. So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. So 4 plus 1 plus 2 is the same as 7, and that's how we would write it in our number sentence. So there are 7 books on the table. I know it's a lot of places to write that number. Okay, let's try again. Diego drew cubes to show adding. Draw to show how Diego should fix his picture. Write the sum. Okay, so this is his equation sentence. So this is a lot like our dominoes or our counters. He has 2. So we're going to color our first 2. One color, 1, 2. So those are going to be my reds. Then he has 8 more. Let's check and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's wrong? Oh, Diego did not draw all 8 cubes. So let's draw one more cube and add it on. Perfect, my friends. You found that so quick. So now we're ready to tell what he has. So 2 plus 8 more. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 plus 8 is the same as 10. Great job, my friends. Let's flip it over. Ready? Let's see. Use the pictures. Oh, we're back to pictures to help you complete the addition sentence. Write the sums. So they want to know what we see. So 9, they want to know triangles. So let's count our groups of triangles. So this first group right here, let's count it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, we did that group. Looking for another group of triangles. Oh, here's one. So 3 triangles plus 2 more triangles equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. So 3 plus 2 is the same as 5. Great job. Let's try these circles. I'm going to look. Oh, I see one group right here. 1, 2, 3. Do you guys see any more circles? Check your paper. I do. You're right. There's one more circle over there. So 1. So 3 circles plus 1 circle is the same as, that's right, guys, 4 circles. I'm going to cross those out. I use those. Okay, now let's look. We have squares. Yep, I see again. We're going to start with 3 squares. Perfect. You guys found that pattern. That's awesome. And there are 3 more squares on this side. So 3 squares plus 3 more squares is the same as, yes, ma'am, 6 squares. You got it. All right, last question for today. There are 3 bunnies and 5 more bunnies. So we'll just make them. You can use your counters if you want to, but let's do 3 bunnies. Color those 3 in so you know that they're what you start with. And then we had 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many bunnies do you guys see? Double check your counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect job, my friends. Okay, you're going to go to your homework book. You're going to go to page 5, please. This front page is your assignment that you need to do and submit, please, in your Canvas. If this is super easy for you and you want a challenge, please do the back of the page and submit it as well. All right, guys, have a great day.